What if you could manage dozens of mobile accounts without relying on a desk full of smartphones? No expensive phone farm, no slow resource-hungry emulators, and no jumping between different devices just to keep your accounts running. Instead, imagine launching multiple cloud Android devices, each with its own separate environment, all managed from one simple dashboard. But GeeLark offers more than just virtual phones. It also helps automate repetitive tasks, control multiple devices at once, create AI-powered content, and streamline your entire mobile workflow from a single platform. So, the real question is, can GeeLark genuinely replace physical Android devices for content creators, marketers, agencies, and social media professionals? I've been putting GeeLark through its paces, testing its cloud phones, automation features, AI tools, and multi-device management to see how well it performs. In this video, I'll walk you through how everything works, what stood out during my testing, the areas that could still be improved, and whether GeeLark is actually worth using in 2026. Now that the introduction is out of the way, it's time to see what GeeLark is actually like to use. The first step is downloading it from the official website. The installation only takes a few minutes, and after logging in, I'm greeted with a clean dashboard that puts everything within easy reach. Cloud phones, proxies, AI features, automation tools, and app management are all available from one central workspace. With the setup complete, it's time to start exploring the platform. The first thing I want to try is creating a cloud phone. The process is refreshingly simple. I click New Profile, enter a profile name, and begin setting up the device. Since I want this phone to appear as a real Android device based in the United States, I assign a residential proxy and set the location to Alaska. GeeLark also gives me the option to choose different Android versions, so I select Android 15 for this test. After reviewing the settings, I click Create, and just moments later, the cloud phone is ready. Opening it launches a fully functional Android device running entirely in the cloud. From here, I can download apps, sign into social media platforms, browse normally, and handle everything from my desktop without relying on extra physical phones. With my cloud phone ready, the next thing I wanted to test was app installation. GeeLark includes its own built-in app library, which makes the process incredibly straightforward. I searched for TikTok, clicked install, and after a short wait, the app was available to launch. Using it feels almost identical to a real Android device. I can sign in, browse videos, upload content, and interact with the platform normally, all without touching a physical phone. It's a simple but effective way to manage mobile apps directly from a desktop. After setting up my first cloud phone, I created a few more profiles to see how GeeLark handles multiple devices. Each one runs in its own isolated environment with a separate fingerprint, Android configuration, and device identity. That means every profile functions as an independent smartphone. Rather than juggling several physical devices, I can access and organize everything from one interface, making it much easier to manage different accounts, campaigns, or locations. Now, let's explore one of GeeLark's standout features, the Synchronizer. You can access it from the left-hand menu. Since no devices are connected initially, the workspace starts out empty. I'll click Add, choose the cloud phones I want to include, and then select Open. A few moments later, all of the selected devices appear inside the Synchronizer. Each cloud phone begins connecting automatically, and once they're ready, I can manage them all from a single workspace. Next, I'll click Start Sync. This designates one cloud phone as the primary device. From that point onward, almost every action I perform on the main device is instantly mirrored across the other connected cloud phones. Take a look at this. As I open apps, navigate through menus, and interact with the primary device, the remaining cloud phones perform the same actions automatically. Instead of repeating identical tasks on every device, GeeLark lets me control them all at once, making repetitive work much faster and far more efficient. Whether you're launching applications, browsing through settings, or carrying out routine mobile tasks, the Synchronizer keeps everything aligned across your connected devices. If you're managing multiple social media accounts or client projects, this feature can significantly reduce manual work and simplify large-scale mobile operations. Beyond cloud phones and device management, GeeLark also comes with integrated AI features, allowing you to create content and complete common creative tasks without constantly switching to other applications. Next, I'm heading over to the AIGC section inside the library, where GeeLark brings together several AI-powered creative tools. From here, you can access features like text to video, image to video, AI image generation, and AI editing, making it easy to create different types of visual content without leaving the platform. For this demonstration, I'll choose text to video. All I have to do is type a prompt describing the scene I want, then select the AI model, along with settings like the resolution, aspect ratio, and video length. After everything is configured, I click Generate, and GeeLark starts creating the video in the background. A short time later, the video is complete and ready to preview directly within the platform. The quality is impressive for quickly generating visual content, and it's a useful feature for anyone who wants to produce creative assets without switching between multiple AI tools. Although AI generation isn't GeeLark's primary purpose, it's a valuable bonus that helps streamline content creation and keeps more of your workflow inside a single platform. Another feature worth mentioning is the built-in AI assistant. It can answer questions about the platform, provide guidance on different features, and help you complete everyday tasks more efficiently. Now, let's move to the Applications section. This is where you can browse supported apps and install them directly onto your cloud phones. Instead of searching for APK files or going through manual installations, everything can be installed in just a few clicks. Next is the automation area. Here, you'll find a collection of pre-built automation templates for popular platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Reddit, and others. If the built-in templates don't match your workflow, you also have the option to create your own custom automation. For users who need deeper integration, GeeLark includes GHub, which provides API access for managing cloud phones programmatically. This is especially useful for developers or businesses looking to build advanced automation or integrate GeeLark into their existing systems. Lastly, there's the Resources section, where you'll find documentation, tutorials, and helpful learning materials. Whether you're new to the platform or exploring its more advanced capabilities, it's a useful place to learn more. That wraps up my hands-on experience with GeeLark, from cloud-based Android devices and proxy integration to multi-device synchronization, automation, AI features, and developer tools. It offers a well-rounded solution for managing mobile workflows from a single dashboard. If you're a creator, agency, marketer, or anyone who works with multiple mobile accounts, it's certainly a platform that's worth considering. If you found this review useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos covering the latest AI tools and technology. And if you'd like to try GeeLark for yourself, you'll find the official link in the video description below. Give it a try and see how it fits into your own workflow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.